Warning: this EAS scenario contains sirens. If you are extremely disturbed by this, consider clicking off the video. Otherwise, watch at your own risk. Enjoy the show. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Ocean County Sheriff's Office. A radiological advisory is being issued for the Oyster Creek Nuclear Generating Station due to a possible meltdown at the plant. The Ocean County Sheriff's Office is issuing an evacuation advisory for all counties and county sections within 25 miles of the plant. The following counties affected are all of Ocean County, southeastern Burlington County, extreme northeastern Atlantic County, and extreme southern Monmouth County. If you live in these areas, be advised that evacuation is likely to become mandated if conditions become worse. This is WJLP, and we will continue to serve the Middletown area. Stay tuned to this channel for further information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New Jersey State Police. A radiological watch is in effect for the Oyster Creek nuclear plant. A partial meltdown of the plant has been confirmed by train spotters. In addition, a voluntary evacuation of residents within 50 miles of the plant has been issued. This now affects the following counties: all of Ocean County, all of Atlantic County, all of Burlington County, all of Camden County, all of Mercer County, all of Monmouth County, extreme northern Cape May County, extreme northern Cumberland County, eastern Gloucester County, southern Middlesex County, and southern Somerset counties in New Jersey. And in Pennsylvania, southeastern Bucks County, and eastern Philadelphia County. If you are currently in these areas, consider evacuating. This is WNJT, and we will continue to serve the Trenton area. Stay tuned to this channel for further updates. The following message is transmitted by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, at the request of the Ocean County Sheriff's Office and the New Jersey State Police. A mandatory evacuation has been issued for residents within a 75-mile radius of the Oyster Creek Nuclear Generating Station due to a meltdown of the plant. An event has occurred at the Oyster Creek Nuclear Plant, which could be dangerous to nearby residents. Because of the possible threat of explosions and the release of radioactive materials into the air, all citizens living within a 75-mile radius are advised to evacuate immediately. The following counties that are under the mandatory evacuation are, in New Jersey, Ocean, Atlantic, Burlington, Camden, Cape May, Cumberland, Essex, Gloucester, Hudson, Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, Salem, Somerset, Union, Southern Morris, extreme southern Bergen, and extreme southeastern Passaic counties. In New York, Bronx, Kings, New York, Queens, Richmond, and western Nassau counties. And in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Delaware, Philadelphia, eastern Chester, and southeastern Montgomery counties. If you hear an air siren in your area, you are in the risk area and need to evacuate for your safety. Make sure to take immediate evacuation procedures. This is WMBC TV, and we will continue to serve the Newton area. More updates will follow as information becomes available.
Em espera para uma mensagem do sistema de aviso de emergência. Em espera para uma mensagem do sistema de aviso de emergência. A seguinte mensagem é transmitida a pedido do Centro Europeu de Alerta contra os Tsunamis. Um tsunami foi gerado a partir de uma explosão nos Estados Unidos e deverá atingir a costa de Portugal nos próximos 20 minutos. Se você mora dentro de 10 milhas do litoral português, você deve procurar um terreno mais alto neste momento. Não há tempo para ficar em certas áreas. A altura estimada da onda é de 220 pés. Evacue agora, ou procure terreno mais elevado. Você enfrentará uma morte certa se você não evacuar a área agora ou procurar um terreno mais alto. Precauções devem ser tomadas imediatamente. Evacue agora. Evacue agora. Evacue agora, ou procure um terreno mais alto.
Please stand by for an emergency message. Please stand by for an emergency message. A tsunami warning has been issued for the entire nations of England, Ireland, Scotland, and Wales. This is the direct result of a meltdown of a nuclear power plant that occurred in New Jersey, United States. This tsunami is expected to strike the United Kingdom coastline within the hour. Estimated wave heights are 75 meters. If you currently live within 5 to 10 kilometers of the coastline, you should either seek higher ground or evacuate the area if possible. Stay tuned to this station for additional updates. This local television station will continue providing news, updates, and additional information for the London area.
Veuillez vous mettre en attente d'un avertissement d'urgence. L'information importante suivra. Veuillez vous mettre en attente d'un avertissement d'urgence. L'information importante suivra. Avertissement de tsunami. Avertissement de tsunami. Avertissement de tsunami. Le message suivant est transmis à la demande du Centre européen d'alerte au tsunami. Un tsunami est en vigueur pour les régions françaises suivantes: Bretagne, Hauts-de-France et Normandie. Un tsunami résultant d'une explosion d'une centrale nucléaire aux États-Unis se dirige vers le pays et aura un impact dans les 30 prochaines minutes. La hauteur de vague estimée est d'environ 80 mètres. Si vous habitez actuellement à moins de 10 km de la côte française, vous devriez chercher un terrain plus élevé. Vous pouvez également évacuer la zone si vous le souhaitez, mais il est fortement recommandé de prendre des mesures maintenant. Il n'y a pas de temps pour d'aller. Vous devez agir maintenant ou vous ferez face à une mort certaine.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the New Jersey Department of Emergency Management. At 2:57 p.m., a large fire was reported at the Oyster Creek Nuclear Generating Station. During this fire, it is likely that every bit of nuclear material inside the plant will escape. If radioactive materials are released into the air, the evacuation area will likely be extended beyond New Jersey, New York City, and southeastern Pennsylvania. Stay tuned to this channel for further information. This is WLNY-TV, and we will continue to serve the Riverhead area.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operations Handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States or his representative will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system.
We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Global Tsunami Warning Center, as well as the United States government. Reports have come in that the Oyster Creek Nuclear Generating Station in Lacey, New Jersey has, in fact, exploded. The explosion has generated a tsunami likely measuring between 3,280 and 5,280 feet high. This tsunami is expected to gradually hit the entire world within the next 2 to 4 hours. All residents of planet Earth should seek higher ground at this time. There is no time to evacuate your area. There are no safe havens on Earth due to the massive mega tsunami. The President will speak on all stations shortly. Stand by for this message. This is a global emergency action notification. All broadcast and radio stations across the world shall transmit this global emergency action notification message. All programming has been discontinued indefinitely due to a global emergency. This station is KLCS, serving the Los Angeles area. This broadcast will now cease transmission. This is a global emergency action termination. The tsunami has impacted the entire world and has fizzled out in the Pacific Ocean. There is massive damage to the world, and it is unknown if life can return to certain areas due to the complete fizzling of oceans. This concludes all operations of the emergency alert system. All normal programming operations may now resume. This concludes all operations of the emergency alert system. All normal programming operations may now resume.